Hello everyone, myself Vishal and our today's video topic is difference between this and super in Java. The this and the super keywords are reserved words that are used in a different context. Beside this, Java also provide this constructor and super constructor that are used in the constructor context. In this section, we will discuss the difference between this and super keyword and this constructor and super constructor in Java. A reserved keyword used to call the base class method or variable is known as a super keyword. We cannot use the super keyword as an identifier. This super keyword is not only used to refer to the base class instance but also static members too. Let's talk about super constructor. The super constructor is mainly used for invoking base class member function and constructors. let's let's take an example of both the super keyword and super constructor to understand how they work. In the main constructor method we have made a statement new super example 1. It calls the constructor of the super example 1 class. Inside the constructor we have made statement super constructor which calls the constructor of its parent class. For example, cat. In the constructor we have made three statements: initialize color with value brown, print parent class data member, print current class data member. When the second statement execute, the flow of the program jumps to the animal class to access the value of its data member. After accessing it, this flow comes back to the cat class constructor and prints it. After that, the last statement executes and prints the value of the variable of a current class. After execution of the last statement of the cat class, the flow comes back to the constructor of the class super example 1 and execute the remaining statements. After completing the execution of the super example 1, the flow come back to the main method and execute the remaining statement. This keyword, it is a reserved keyword in Java that is used to refer the current class object. It is a reference variable through which the method is called. Other uses of the keywords are: we can use it to refer current class instance variable, we can use it to invoke the current class method implicitly, we can pass it as an argument in the method and constructor calls. We can also use it for returning the current class instance from the method. Well, that's all. Thank you so much.